misfire number 8. I opened the cam, I changed the cam, I put the new cam, and I put the new lifter already, and I clean everything with the diesel. I have to put the head back right now, but let me show you guys the cam and the lifter. Why I told you guys you have to change the cam and the lifter both, because the cam is broke right here. You see guys how is it broke. After 3 months you're gonna get misfire number 8, like if you don't change the cam, because the cam and the lifter number 8 is broken and they make a noise and make a misfire. Those cam with the lifter, you have to change them both, because if you don't change them, just you change the lifter of the misfire, the problem, and you close the engine again, after 3 months you're gonna see the misfire again. That's it guys. I'm gonna show you the video when I start the truck soon. Thank you for watching.